https://chevcast.tv.
Alrighty. Okay. So we have made quite a bit of progress yesterday. I apologize for the spottiness of the stream yesterday. I had to leave abruptly to handle a few things. But today, let's go over what we did yesterday, because I did come back and work a little bit offline. I'd like to kind of mix it up. Let's see. Let's get out of these settings views and everything. Okay, so one thing we did was I reorganized the package file here. I just did this morning, actually. I used this npm run all, which is a cool package I've used before. It lets you run things in parallel. So basically, you pass in the other build steps here. So clean, lint, those will run serially or synchronously. Basically, clean runs first, lint runs second. Then everything after -p runs parallel. And that does this. This is just a wildcard for build, colon, and then any script, which means these two scripts, which means the client and the server will build simultaneously. So I'll just show you guys that for fun, just so you can see it. Let's see. CD code, shiptech, shipcast. Check that out. And it's even got these cool labels with it where it tells you each step, which I thought was pretty neat. It's funny that lint has a space after it. It's weird. And there you go. I'm actually just going to, before I even remove all these consoles. Oh, dang. What the heck? Okay. There we go. All right. So that allows us to have a lot more screen real estate out here. We'll close that terminal. We have it if we need it. But yeah, I kind of like to have that like that. Let's see. So we ran the build. Let's see. Clean lint. Excellent. All right. I think they were good. I think we can just go ahead and get rid of this old scripts thing. I don't really need it anymore. I kind of know. Plus, I can always go find it if I really did need it. Okay, so let's show off now. Are we running the dev mode? We are. Okay. Let's show off what we did yesterday. We did this here. Localhost 3000. Hello. Do I need to rerun this for some reason? 5. Compiled. Localhost 3000. Well, this is no good. Something's wrong. Oh, there it goes. Okay. It might have just taken a second to forward the port from Windows to Windows subsystems for Linux. Excuse me. Okay, so anyway, got our splash screen, but if we go to /login, we can now sign in with Discord. And because I already approved it, I put prompt none on there. And so it just comes right back, says you're approved. And then just to test it, we pulled in my avatar from Discord. So, and then we can sign back out. So we got it. We're signed in now. There's a few things we can do today. Oh, and just to show you, it works on Chevcast TV. So we've even got our SSL certificate working already. Website's already secure. If we go to log in, we can. I had already logged in yesterday to test, but same difference. We can log in, and I think if we go to Discord, Discord. Is there connections? Oh, authorized apps. There we are, Chefcast TV. Let's deauthorize it. And because it's technically the same Discord app in the developer portal, no matter whether I'm running locally or on Chefcast TV, I did have to re-sign in. Like, if I sign in locally, I'm not automatically signed in on Chefcast TV because that's stored in a cookie. So I'll show you the JWT token here. But let's make this all a lot bigger. Okay, so if we go to cookies here, you will see next auth session token, and that token is a JWT token. So that's stored in a cookie, and cookies are attached to a domain. So localhost 3000 and chefcast.tv are different domains. If we go to jwt.io, they have a JWT token analyzer. Our token's not encrypted. Whoa. What is happening? That was really weird. I am going to go shut down Synergy because I think something is messing. With my mouse. Okay, so you paste the token in here. It's not encrypted, so it's easy to access. You can see that the authenticator next auth is what we're using as a library. I wasn't going to use a library, but the next auth boasts that it works with all the server-side rendering and caching and all that stuff. So I don't know if it's doing anything special there that I couldn't have replicated myself easily, but it was pretty easy to get put together. The thing we were struggling with yesterday was their freaking documentation for NextAuth is for their version 4, which is still in beta. And so you have to install the beta version. And then if you don't install the right beta version, then the API differs and you get TypeScript errors because like when you use the use session hook, it expected me to pass in some data. But once I got on the right version, then that data was typed as optional, so that fixed it. And I really, really get super butthurt when I have to put as any. If I'm using TypeScript, then typing something as any to get around it makes using TypeScript completely freaking pointless. So anyway, that's our token, and that token can be carried with us. In fact, I'm pretty sure if we take this token, let's see. Let's go. Let's see. We're not signed in locally. We are signed in on Chefcast TV. I'm pretty sure if I open this up and we go to cookies and we create a new token, next auth dot, what was it called? Session hyphen. Oh, I guess we'll just copy the name like that. That's weird. Host next auth. Next auth callback. I wonder why it's got these hyphens secures. Oh, because of the HTTPS. Okay. So we really just probably should copy what it looks like locally. So next auth session token. Just like that. And then pretty sure this should work because that's the cool thing about JWT tokens is you can log in once and anywhere that can read the token can see your session. Whereas when you host session on a server, then if you like cluster your servers and you're trying to authenticate against another server, you have to sign in again. Or like if we like at work, we had multiple apps and we had to have you sign into each app individually. They couldn't share a session, but with JWT tokens, they can. All right, so we got our session token in here. That token contains all of our data. I think it might error out because it might contain... we'll see. Let's refresh. Are we signed in? Oh, we are. Nice. Okay. I don't know if there was some kind of like state or some string or whatever that it would verify. But no. Just copy that token and we're signed in. So that's cool. It means that if I built a whole nother website on a whole different domain Well, it would have to be on the same domain. So that's the thing. Like at work, we put one cookie on the root domain with your JWT token, and then all of our apps live on subdomains of the root domain, and they all have access to your authentication token. So you're logged in everywhere, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's it. That's how we stay authenticated. I really like that. I think what we were going to set up next is I did create a database. Yes, so obviously I will change my connection string, so I'm not too worried about it right now. The sensitive data, I'm just going to let fly for now. If someone starts trying to mess with it, then we'll deal with it then. But before we finish the project, I'll change all the secret tokens up and everything. Okay. Oops. I always rest my finger on that S key. I don't know why. I put package JSON and stage there. Okay. I can't decide what to do next. So probably get the database working. I do want to use Mongoose. I really like using Mongoose. So, but for now, we need to pull in the MongoDB client because we want to pass it to, let's see, Pages, API, next auth. We want to pass the Mongo adapter in here. So let's close these for now so we don't clutter our browser. I get really anal about cluttering my browser. Let's pin this because I'm going to keep Discord open there. Restream, we can close that because we have that open in OBS here. That works good. Oh yeah, I wanted to check out. So Twitter. I don't know what that did. Let's see, copy. All right, fine. We'll just go to Twitter and see what it looks like. Periscope disappeared. But apparently they replaced it with Twitter. So I connected Twitter to Restream. Is it working? So technically it's working. Oh, wait, that's from yesterday, huh? Oh, yeah. So is there nothing new? I don't know how this works. Where do I go to see my live broadcast? Maybe I'll try to click this. So view event means I have to sign in. And this page doesn't exist. Well, that didn't take me anywhere useful, did it? Let's try that again. View event. Oh, yeah, doesn't exist. Okay. It did say that it's going to be deprecated and to use Twitter. So I guess we just need to wait. Yeah. All right. We'll just wait. Okay. 1 second. Kill my screen for a sec so I can. Go. Oh, hi, kitten. Hello, hello. Kitten, kitten. All right. Anyway, that was just a distraction. I just wanted to mess with Twitter, but. All right. So we've got MongoDB connected. I did actually associate the database here, so that's cool. And I did throw the connection string in our environment variables, both live and local. So let's go peruse the next auth garbage documentation. It really is freaking garbage documentation. I mean, I guess I've seen worse, so we'll leave it at that. But we want to go to adapters, which they conveniently ripped out of the package because reasons, I guess, to keep it smaller, probably. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so I did paste this adapter recently, and I really can't stand the way they did this with the globals. But I can't think of a better way to do it either. This is to get around the hot module reload stuff. It's a global variable, so I may just have to live with it for now. Okay. Components config. We just wanted to do a lib folder. And then in that folder, we called it, what they call it, just MongoDB. MongoDB.ts. Okay, so we're pulling in Mongo client, which I did install that already, pretty sure. We're gonna pull in. Well, let's do this the right way. And then we will const what's the matter? Why don't you like that? Not exist on type config. Oh, but it sure as heck does, though. Oh. Okay. There. Wait. Hold on. It was upset about something. Oh, just a delay. Oh, I hate how long it takes TypeScript to parse this stuff. Okay. And then we're just going to get rid of const URI. Use. We don't need that. We already know that it's there. We already throw an error in our own config thing. Okay. Yeah, see, I really can't stand this type of global. This has no index signature. Let's just see what other people did with this. It is because this keyword inside object is not this object itself, it's global context, which is I think that person's asking about something else. No implicit. Well, yeah. Declare global. Okay, can we do that? Let's try this at the top of the file for now. And we're going to put Mongo client promise on there, which is promise Mongo client. Clear global. String. You said that? Yeah, okay, so this isn't like, I don't know how to use the declare, obviously, in TypeScript. What if I do K? String, symbol, number, any. I'm very confused. Declare function, declare global. What can we do here? Variables and TypeScript. No. Suppose I could do that. Oh, can I do that? Let's see. Declare var. As promise. Mongo point. Why are you upset at that? It's not. What? That's part of the. Reload the window. Is it broken? Like, why is it barking at the freaking underscore? Wait. God. Okay. All right. That. Oh my god. Global this. And the one dude. Exists on type of global this. Declare module global this. Let's try that. Module. Still nothing. es.global. It's an intersection of those. Unified topology. Use new URL parser. Hmm. Maybe I don't need these anymore. Okay, I figured that out. Nice. Okay. Let's see, I want to put global. Copy that stuff into there so that I can expand it later. Why are you upset? Why are you still upset? What's going on? Okay, something's weird. Yeah, nothing is working. Okay. Whoa. What is going on, Visual Studio Code? Why are you so laggy? What in the world? WSL freaking out? That was real weird. Okay. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Guess we're closing that. Don't worry. Take your sweet time. What's going on? My whole computer is frozen. What is VMem? VS browser page? Holy crap. That's taking up 25 gigabytes? Well, what? VMEM. VMware Workstation. So it is. It's WSL. All right, let's open up an admin PowerShell. Restart WSL, I guess. Come on, someday. Oh, what was running in there that had a memory leak, but something was. Of course, I lost my hyperterminal. Whoa, what? Why? There's hyper loading standard login shell. All right, piggies, time to go outside. You're getting whiny. That means it's time to go outside. I don't know why. Okay, we're good now. Everything is running quickly, but WSL is totally dead. I did shutdown. Do we have restart? Missing. All right, shut down again. Maybe restart properly this time? Okay, that's good. Maybe now we can reload our window here. There we go. Phew, I don't know what that was. Whether contains a dev container configuration file. Oh. Okay. That should do that. And now is that not okay? Declare var global. See, Node.js, TypeScript, global. There module Node.js. Okay. There module Node.js. Is global. Oh, really? Isolated modules. Is that a thing in here? No. Package JSON thing? No. What's that? What if I just did .d.ts like that? Does that make it happy? Okay. Oh. Okay. So ts config. Oh no, it's doing it again. Oh, maybe not. Hey, stop! Be nice to him. Okay, now can I import Mongo client? Do promise Mongo client? No, because as soon as it does that, I think I says it takes it out of the namespace or whatever. Let's just reload the window just to make sure. Yeah, very weird. I don't know how to get reference to that then, I guess. Declare global. I do this. Is it like that? Aha! Yes. Aha! Okay. And is that should that be a let? No. Okay. What if I just get rid of that entirely? Does it hate that? Yes. So only a var. Okay. Oh, it even says right here, letter const variables don't show. Okay. All right, we can be done with that now. So we're adding that to the global. I think I should probably do that with config too, I guess. Anyway, no, I won't worry about it. All right, and then connection string there. And client promise. Okay. And then what does it say to do? Now we're going to pull in libmongodb. I really like this pattern, so people might not like it, but I sure do. Oh, piggies. I wish you'd just get up and go outside, or are you? Are you finally doing it? All right, I'll be right back. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside. All right, I am back. All right, let's see here. Next off, okay. And then we got to look at the document here. Adapter. It's one of the properties on the object here. So maybe we'll do that first. Import MongoDB adapter. MongoDB. Right? DB adapter. Oh, no, that's from next auth slash adapters slash adapter. That's weird. MongoDB hyphen adapter. MongoDB adapter. All right, why aren't you working? Boy. More shit wrong with their documentation. What a surprise. Next auth, MongoDB adapter. What a freaking shocker. Why bother making sure your documentation matches your library? That would just make things really easy, but we don't want that. Is there MongoDB adapter anywhere? Do a search here. We're going to search in what's to include. Slash node modules slash next auth. Okay. And we are going to search for Mongo. Okay, so there's nothing. Let's just make sure. Adapter. Okay, yeah, adapter's in there. We're being case insensitive. So there's literally nothing in that file that says Mongo. So, okay. I just can't. I can't. All right, I'm pretty sure I already did this, but let's try it again. Freaking next, man. Next auth. Oh my god. Did that work? Did it work? At next auth. Does that mean? Okay. Ugh. They're cracking me up with this convoluted mess of a library. I'm about to get rid of it, not gonna lie. Huh? What do you mean? And has implicit as any what? Why? Promise Mongo client. They both return Promise Mongo client. Why are you doing this to me? Why? The client. Yeah, and that has any also? What in the world? Oh, yeah, let's. Oh, it's development, and we don't have it. Then we create it and we add it, and then we say client promise equals. Where are you any? That makes no sense. Oh, because we declared it up here. That's a promise too. Okay, so promise. Client. It's mock-up client. Okay, are we good now? Are you happy? Okay. Excuse me. Wait. Does that actually work? How does that work if we're not in an async function? I feel like that shouldn't work. Turn await next auth. Default async function auth request res. Okay. So I was right. It returns one that doesn't even return a promise. Oh yeah. That's cool. Although that does mean you can just return it though. This response. Let's see, what was it we wanted to do? Import next API request, next API response, next. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay. There's an overload. I see. Okay. I think that should do it. That was more than a memory hog. That was a let's use more RAM than I have, even though I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's not okay. It's not okay. Whoa. What's going on again? It's when my app is running. It's got to be, right? It's 3 gigabytes I can handle, but is it? It seems like it's this guy. I mean, of course, OBS OBS is using a lot. That's fine. And I'm even fine with WSL using 3 gigs of memory, but I don't understand why when I perform certain tasks, my mouse comes to a crawl. Synergy isn't running, is it? No. I had this issue before, and I don't remember what it was. Need to run that in a bigger terminal. The VS Code server, those are fine. TS server. It's got to be a VS Code thing. Yep. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's all fine. Okay, they're literally all VS Code server. That's fine. Okay. And then if I run now what? HTOP. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. I like that. HTOP sort Memory. Sort by mem percent. No. Sort key help equals help. Sort key equals help. Oh, okay. And percent mem. Okay. Awesome. Now the next time WSL balloons, we'll be able to see what the hell that's about. Sweet. Okay. Why is it saying I only have 24.8 gigabytes of memory? Where do I go to see how much memory it thinks I have? Oh, 32. Okay, so that just must be what's allocated to WSL then. That's fine. It was using all of it too. So it's a good thing that it does that because my system was already crawling. If it was allowed to take up all the memory, it would have probably. Okay, cool. We'll keep HTOP running there. I like that. Why is that running like a billion processes? Yes, now dev hook. Yeah, why is there a shitload of those? Extensions. Yes, no dev. Okay. We're using almost 2 gigs of memory. Process child, process child, process child. That's so weird. Okay, let's do this then. Let's kill that. And let's npm run build. Wow, all that goes away from killing that one process. That's nuts. The memory usage goes down a fair bit as well. Okay, now let's npm start. Oh, and let's F4 escape clear. Yeah, so even it starts like 5 processes. Why are there 5 node processes in Linux? V8 is spinning multiple threads for its own needs, 4 of them. I see, okay. Can I consolidate those threads when viewing this? F2, setup. Tree view. Ah. Let's get rid of tree view. Hide kernel threads. Hide userland process threads. Jesus Christ. Set an alarm for 1 p.m.
I've turned on your 1 p.m. alarm.
Okay. All right, let's see what that looks like. Oh, well, that's a lot better. Can I now just see the one thing I... Okay, yeah, right there. That's much better. Much better. I don't need to see 100 threads. I just want to see the main process. I doesn't remember any of that? That sucks. Yeah, that really sucks. So, I'd userland process threads. Highlight the base name. Black Knight. There we go. I wonder how I can trigger that from the command line each time. So I want to sort by memory, so that works. HTOP save settings. Make HTOP RC. Okay. So HTOP. Let's see. Let's hide userland process threads. Highlight base name, color, Black Knight, and then F10. F10. There we go. Okay. And then can I sort memory and F10? Ah, cool. That is really nifty. There was one that hid the path. Display. Let's see. Show program path. Let's see what that looks like without that. And then what if I go back to showing userland process threads? Okay. Perfect. All right, now let's go back to VS Code. Kill this. And then run. Stop. Much better. Wait, can I turn columns off? Because I really would love to just turn off a bunch of those. Yeah, let's leave the ID, but then we'll remove. Oh, I can actually click these. We'll leave the user too. We'll remove PRINI VIRT res. Okay. I'll remove all that. We'll leave everything else. So, oops. I guess I could remove time. I don't really care. I could at least move it to be after. Let's move that down. Oh, you can't move command in front? Alright. Then I guess we'll just remove it for now. I'm so paranoid now that we practically killed our shit. Alright, we gotta go to settings and change font size here. There we go. Okay, so I am wondering if this is already working at all. So let's find our database. MongoDB. Refresh. So it does not have a container in there yet. But we did run. Let's run dev here. Okay, and then let's go check it out. So localhost 3000 /login. We're going to go ahead and sign out, sign back in, authorize. Okay, did anything happen? Ah, it did. Accounts. Got an account here. It has a token. Great. Users. Chev. Oh, all right. And I can just add stuff onto this, hopefully. Email verified. No. I don't think we need to verify our email. But that's pretty cool. We're already working with the database here. Discord. User ID. Awesome. Why does it do that every once in a while? It's like monitoring something and recompiling. But I don't know what it is. All right, let's go ahead and commit everything real fast. Added MongoDB adapter for next auth. So now as people come in, we automatically have a user account, which is cool. Okay, next auth, Mongoose. Maybe I should just use the MongoDB adapter though. Let's look at that one. Because maybe it would just be easier than trying to model it with Mongoose. We could just create TypeScript types too for the objects. Okay. I don't know why the readme is sometimes like, here's how to use Node. Like, okay. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be here if I didn't know how to use Node. So really what we should do is turn this file into more of a... So we should probably get rid of lib, actually, and create a DB folder. Okay, now in here, let's add a Mongo client. Get all this in here, okay. And then we'll just go ahead and get rid of lib for now. We'll go ahead and kill the app because it's going to bark at us the whole time we're trying to work on it. All right, so we're going to pull out the Mongo client. Get rid of this comment as we're tweaking this shit. And this is a client to get rid of the client promise. Okay. I guess we just want to export the client. So maybe we get rid of this. And we actually rename this to index. We'll just export this as nope, I can't await this. Let's export the solid object. Could I export the client though? It does module caching, I believe. So what if I just export client? Just client.connect. That's the promise. But if I have client defined up here. Okay, so it could be undefined. Cammy, stop. I guess we'll just leave this the way it is for now. What I'd like to do, okay, so yeah, let's export undefined. We're going to export the client itself. Nope. Let's do this. We're going to export a initialize function. Which is an async function. All that's going to do is it's going to say client equals new actually, no, excuse me. Client equals new Mongo client. Mongo connection string. Don't need the promise anymore. Let's see. Return client.connect. And we can get rid, well, oh yeah, this should be good because this is going to be initialized on the server. Right? And then in here, we're just going to pull in db from db. Right there. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll go into the server. We're going to pull in db. Actually, we're going to pull in db initialize. Change that to be initialize. I'll just call it initdb. Pull in initdb, and then before Next is even doing anything. Lordy. Alright, I gotta take a break and do some stuff real fast. This way, I can be guaranteed that this is where it starts and we don't move on until it's connected, and then this singleton, I'm guessing that means it's not going to init though, because first of all, in package JSON, I'm now going to have to also copy think about this while I take care of some stuff. So I'm going to sign off the stream. I'll be back in a little while.